Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, as from the title you guys must be already knowing that today's video is something which I have ordered. Amazon jumpsuit Indo-Western dhoti style products from Amazon, and yes, I'll just say the quality and the fitting and everything and put the rates on the screen. And yes, all the products are under rupees 1500. In fact, I would say 3 products are under rupees 1000 and 2 products are like above 1000 rupees, but they all are under rupees 1300 500 के नीचे ही है. So it's an affordable haul. So yes, watch this video till the end, but before that do subscribe to my channel to see more further hauls and further things and learn new things each and every week. So do subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Do hit like to this video and follow me on my social media, especially on Instagram, to stay updated and know me more, and even I can know you more. So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, first product over here is this. This is 2-piece, that is dhoti and the top, and I have ordered this from S size and my height is 5 feet, so उसके वजह से थोड़ा off दिखता है. So what I'll do is I'll go to tailor and cut it from above section, or else I can fold it like I have done it currently. So yes, it is looking very amazing. वो photo में brown दिखता है, but it is not typically a brown color. It is something grey और मेहंदी greenish type पे grey ऐसा type का color है, but this is very amazing. The quality is amazing. As per price range, this is 10 on 10 product and I just loved it. You will see me wearing this very soon. I just love this product, and as you can see in the clip, I have been styling it in many different ways. Like you can style it from front section, from behind section, and you can do a lot of things with this. But as per price range and as per like quality and everything, Amazon से ये expect नहीं करा था मैंने, but this is really a good and amazing product. I just loved it. I hope you will also like it. So if you are wondering and willing to buy or thinking to buy, then you can definitely go for this product. This is amazing. Superb. Okay, next product over here is this black jumpsuit, and ये धोती स्टाइल में jumpsuit है. This is very nice. I just loved it. मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि ये black है, मैं कहाँ पहनूंगी, because mostly in traditional functions ना ये like off हो जाता है एकदम, like you understand if you are an Indian. But anyways, this is amazing. ये pure cotton material है. Like this is very nice material and I just loved it. It is looking very nice. So if you are a kind of person who don't like kurtis and all those things to wear on traditional things, then you can definitely go for these Indo-Western type of clothes, and they really turned out amazing and it is looking very good on me as well. If you haven't tried any of these, then definitely you need to try because it looks amazing. Now the next product is this. So यहाँ पे ना when I ordered ना, they didn't had size option. अभी वो लोग ने Amazon पे size दे दिया है XS या फिर M या ऐसा कुछ size, लेकिन मैंने तो XS ही order किया था. फिर भी it is very loose on me. I don't know why, but so if you are ordering, you need to check the sizing thing. And next thing over here is that इसका print ये ना एकदम typically traditional type नहीं है. You can wear this in western type as well, and ये ना थोड़ा सा transparent है. I can say that thing. This, since it is white, I can say ये ना transparent. At least don't wear something which is dark inside this. So yes, as I said, it is little transparent. Otherwise it is good, like pattern wise or essay wise, it is nice. This green dhoti, so this is proper jumpsuit dhoti wala, and if you are of my height, this is a perfect product for you. And अगर मेरे से ज़्यादा height है तो भी this will look amazing on you. And ये एकदम green color है. They had many different colors as well. I was confused between printed or green, but then at the end I decided green is good one. So green के साथ ना you can accessorize it, like you can wear good neck piece and wear this, or you can wear a jacket above this, or you can style it many different ways. If you want me to make a video styling this outfit, then do let me know in the comment section. But I like this product. This is amazing, and the quality is also very good. Like, acha quality hai. Okay, next and last product over here is this jumpsuit. And yes, this is that's draping wala jumpsuit, and it is of nice quality. Ye bhi cotton hi hai, and this is looking very good, and I just loved it. Like, these all the products are very different. Quality wise this is amazing, price wise this is amazing, and it is even looking good on me, and the fitting is also very good. I'll mention the size on the screen. And yes, mostly मैंने सब ही S size में ही मंगाया है, because my size is S and XS. S और XS के बीच में वो होते रहता है, लेकिन mostly I order S size because XS कभी कभी ना टाइट हो जाता है. Yes, so yes, I just liked it. And if you ask me, my height is 5 feet, so ये सारे products मेरे पे ऐसे दिख रहे हैं, but if your height is more, it will look more beautiful, so don't worry about it. And if you are someone shorter than me, then also you can order. Like, ज़्यादा short हो तो order मत करो, but if you are someone of my height, then definitely you can order. जो सोच रहे कि order करूँ नहीं करूँ, suit करेगा नहीं करेगा, अच्छा लगेगा, but it is looking very good. You can see on the clips over here. But yes, this is also a nice product. ये iron नहीं किया है मैंने ऐसे ही पहन लिया है, but when it will get ironed, it will look more beautiful and more nice. Okay guys, yes guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and links are given in the description box. Just go and at least put something on your wish list. This is how I am. I put the products in wish list, and जब I want to order, I just have to put it on cart and I have to order it. That's it. Yes guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do hit like to this video, do subscribe to my channel, and do click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And you can follow me on my social media, links given in the description box. That was all for today. Bye bye.